Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna review my new Louis Vuitton jewelry. I'm talking about these earrings that I'm wearing right now, and I'm gonna wear during the whole video today, and this gorgeous bracelet. Look at that. Both of these are the newest 2023 collection of Louis Vuitton, and I just bought it from the official boutique, of course. So the Louis Vuitton official boutique is right under my apartment. That's what happened. We're actually living at the business center at the very center of New Orleans, and the boutique is just about 2 or 3 minutes of walking distance from my apartment where I live, and yeah, that's amazing. So I will show you the unboxing of both of the items that I bought yesterday from Louis Vuitton. Again, this is a new 2023 collection. This bracelet is already available online, and currently it's only available in small size. In general, the bracelet is available in 2 sizes, small and medium, but currently you can only buy it in small because medium was sold out. This is a completely new collection, a totally new design, new bracelet. I've honestly never seen something like that before at Louis Vuitton. This is why I just saw it online and I rushed into the store asking them if they maybe have it like available for sale, and they did. So here it is, yes, right here on my hand. I'm so very excited about this bracelet. So currently medium size is sold out all around the states, and you need to order medium size if you need medium. This is small, and usually I need like large and medium. This one is a little bit small. I will definitely prefer it in medium, but it's not available, and we are soon moving out of New Orleans, and this is why I've decided just to get this one. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my god. On my other hand, I have my other bracelet that I'm like, they aren't new, but I'm just wearing them like every day. I'm having Hermes bracelet, I'm having Van Cleef, and I'm having Cartier. Yes, these are also so very pretty. And now to the earrings. They are so gorgeous, such gorgeous earrings. I love these so very much. These earrings aren't available yet. This is the very latest collection. They aren't on the shelves of Louis Vuitton yet. They aren't available online. So these are completely newest collection that isn't available. This collection is currently only available through the consultants. This is how you can get these. So my personal Louis Vuitton consultant, obviously I have one because I'm living like 2 minutes walking from Louis Vuitton, and I am shopping a lot. I am actually a Louis Vuitton brand, and I've decided that from now on I'm going to show you maybe my purchases here on my channel, because I am definitely a high-end type of girl. Everything that I own, everything that I buy, it's high-end. Only for the last 10 years I'm just simply not buying things that aren't high-end. It's that simple. All of my items that I'm buying by myself, that I'm not getting for a review, but the items that I am buying by myself, all of them are Prada, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Cartier, Van Cleef, and so very on. So I've decided that it's a huge waste, because like for the last 10 years I bought so much, like, you know, shoes and clothes and bags and so very on, and everything is definitely deserves a review. So I am definitely going to do a reviews here on my channel of items that I'm buying. These aren't sponsored, unfortunately, but I think it's a great idea. I just really think it's a good idea to do so. Yes, so these earrings aren't available yet, but my personal shopping consultant at Louis Vuitton here in New Orleans, she said these are going to be available online, and they are going to go to the shelves like every day from now. They're waiting for the order, the approval from Louis Vuitton to start selling these, and she just basically had to take me aside and show me these like separately from you know, from the vitrine of Louis Vuitton, because I was trying many earrings and I just didn't like anything, because these that I liked, they were like heavy, and some other models that I really liked how do they look like on the picture and in life, but then once you're trying them on, they just look weird. So I choose these, and yeah, I'm so very excited. Getting a new Louis Vuitton, it's obviously so very excited. I am a huge fan of Louis Vuitton brand. I have my small own like collection of Louis Vuitton items. Basically anything that I'm using in my daily life, I'm trying to get from Louis Vuitton, from iPhone cases and notebooks to bags, obviously, and to shoes and to clothes and so very on. So yes, I'm a huge fan. My next video, by the way, I'm gonna do an unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton bag. So So be so very sure to subscribe to my channel and to give this video a huge thumbs up. So I am definitely obsessed with this bracelet and with the earrings. They look amazing. Guys, I will leave you the link to the bracelet down below at the description box, and I will update the link once the earrings are going to be available for sale, like available for shopping for you. And this is the Christmas time. Definitely think that fashion jewelry, it's a great gift idea. They aren't expensive at all. I mean, Louis Vuitton price range, of course, they aren't expensive at all, so it's definitely worth buying it, and this is a great and amazing gift. Yes, guys, so I really hope you like this video of mine. Guys, please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Please let me know, what do you think? Please let me know, do you own anything from Louis Vuitton, and what do you own? Do you like this brand, and what's your opinion about spending like so much money on high-end items? Let me know. And that was actually all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.